What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett, the original student of the Gamer Internet Marketing. Guys, I'm not even going to waste no time on this video, guys. I just came off a video of this channel, KM Inspires. Big props, KM. I just finished watching a video, man. I came on the back end of it. I was actually recording a video, and I saw you live, tried to get in on the video, couldn't get on the video, right? I guess because you were streaming, right? I was trying to make a comment. As soon as you finish doing all the things you need to do, I guess I'll be able to comment. I was trying to comment. I wanted to tell you, man, I want to shout you out, right? And I'm gonna say this, guys. Yo, I know a lot of people may not like to be called out. I talked to like quite a few people, and I know some people just don't like to be called out, right? I cannot help myself, guys. When I see somebody doing their own thing, right? Moving to the beat of their own drum, right? Moving stuff out of the way, right? Just making things happen and speaking their success into existence. I get super pumped up about that, guys. You guys know that, right? I'm already super pumped up anyway, but I really get super inspired and pumped up when I see somebody doing what KM Inspires doing over here, guys. So I'm going to tell you guys, when I do this, I don't mean to do it. I can't help calling some of you guys out sometimes. I just loving your message, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just feeling the energy. And so I'm going to do it, right? I'm going to do it. And I'm going to apologize to you guys up front, right? In fact, guys, send me your videos. Let me see them, man. I'm going to tell you something. What I'm working on right now is doing my own interviews, right? And as soon as I figure out how to do it, right? And I'm working on it, guys. There ain't much to it. I just got to sit down and figure it out. I'm going to start inviting you guys on the channel, man. Right? And we can talk about whatever y'all want to talk about. You want to talk about your cat? You want to talk about your dog? You want to talk politics? I can talk politics, guys. We can talk whatever you want to talk about. It doesn't matter, right? I just want to connect with you guys, right? And I'm working on that right now, guys. And I'm really trying to get it done right around the time, you know. Anyway, this ain't about me, guys. Just know that that's what I'm working on. KM, big props, man. I'm great. Hey, keep doing what you're doing, man. You know what I'm saying? This is how we speak our success into existence, people. Okay? We start moving obstacles out of the way, right? We start taking no for an answer, right? We stop adapting and overcoming, right? We get in where we fit in. We immerse ourselves in internet marketing and whatever it is we want to do, guys, and we just hit the ground running, man. That's what we do. The only reason we ever look back is to see how far we've come and to see who else behind that might not have come as far along as we have, and we just pull them right up there along with us, right? Cam, I'm going to say it again, man. Big props. I'm loving what you're doing. I'm gonna make a comment on your video as soon as I can, man. I don't know how to do it right now. I'm trying to figure it out. Anyway, guys, if you guys ain't seen KM Inspires, I'm gonna leave his link. Run over there, check him out. Let's give him some love. Let's keep giving each other love, guys. Let's keep spreading this all over the place, okay? Anyway, guys, now in this video, I'm gonna do something that I don't normally do, guys. I got something I want to share with you guys, right? And so a lot of times you you may be asking yourself, particularly if you're an email marketer, right? Then what do I mail my list, right? What do I follow up with my email list with, right? Like what kind of content? And guys, you know, on my training day Tuesdays, I'm talking about email marketing from start to finish, the bare essentials. But I'm doing that for brand new people, right? But for some people who come a little farther along, guys, I got to do these kind of videos because some people, you know, you guys already doing your email marketing thing, right? You already got your autoresponder set up. You already wrote your first several emails, right? That drip campaign we're talking about. So sometimes we wonder, what is it that we should be following up with our list with? I'm a crazy person, guys, right? I'm zany, right? So I'm going to tell you guys right now, if you're on my list, you already know, right? You don't know what you're going to see, right? Coming into your inbox if you're on my list, right? But a lot of times, guys, I like to incorporate funny stuff, right? And so that's what I do, right? I will build a bridge page like you're looking at right now, and I will send it to my list, right? Now, I have to give my wife credit for this one because she's the one who actually brought this particular video to my attention. I saw it. I loved it so much. I looked at it. I was like, wow. I had to incorporate it into my follow-up email drip campaign. Get a lot of opens on this. That's a golden nugget, guys. I'm just telling you guys. Because it's something different, right? We want to constantly be zigging, guys. When everybody else zagging, right? We want to be zigging. Now, I know I don't have to say to you guys, a lot of you guys know that I don't do hardly anything like anybody else you've ever probably seen. And I probably never will, guys. That ain't gonna change, right? Anyway, let's talk about this video. So when you start following up with your list, guys, we want to make sure we're corresponding with our list on a regular basis, right? We want to do things that's going to keep them engaged, right? But in order to keep people engaged, guys, you kind of don't be boring, right? Don't be boring. You could call me anything but boring, guys. I mean, you can call me a lot of things, but you can't call me boring. Well, somebody might call me boring. My wife calls me boring all the time. So I'll take that back. Anyway, so look, guys, when you're following up with your list, try to make sure that you're creating content, right? Right? I talked about the value when you're creating the content, right? But also, throw something funny in there, man. You know what I mean? Do something that you would open an email for if you saw it, right? In my email subject line, right? In my follow-up email, it says Joe Biden, Julia Louis-Dreyfus caught on tape at the White House. Who ain't going to open that email, guys? Who ain't going to open that email? Everybody know who Joe Biden is, right? Everybody know Julia Louis-Dreyfus, right? From Seinfeld. Everybody know them. So when people see Joe Biden, Julia Louis-Dreyfus caught on tape at the White House, they open the email, guys, right? Now, once they get the email open, guys, this is an indirect way to keep your list engaged by getting them to open your email. People can call it what they want to, right? But I'm still interacting with my list, right? And you can take a video like this, guys, and I'm going to show you in a second, and you can just use it to your advantage, okay? Now, be careful, right? You can't take copyrighted content, certain things. You can't, it depends, you know what I'm saying? You can't do certain things a certain way. This is from HBO, guys. It's funny. I'm sending it to my list. They like it. That's cool. So I like to send stuff. You can send a person straight to a YouTube video. By the way, guys, you can also create capture pages like this too, right? So when we talk about the expansion of your mind when it comes to your marketing, guys, there ain't no rules, man. Really, right? At first, when I first got started, I thought like, there are rules. I'm sorry, let me take that back. But I thought like, I gotta do things like this. No, man, it's not who I am, so I couldn't do it that way. I had to just be who I was and do what I do, and I did what I did, and I can tell you guys, it just makes a world of difference, right? So in your marketing, right, think out the box, guys. Do not let nobody put you inside of a box, right? Do not let nobody tell you that you gotta do this, you gotta do that. Man, I'm not trying to hear that, right? I'm telling you guys, I'm really not, and I don't do it. And things are happening. Okay, so look, okay, let's get into this, guy, before I get off. Okay, so you see that video, right? I'm talking about Julia Louis-Dreyfus and Joe Biden. Okay, in this video, guys, everybody know I'm a big fan of Steve Harvey's, right? Steve Harvey got a video up on YouTube, and what he's talking about is how to make $1 million. Okay, and in that video, he's saying inch by inch, everything is a cinch, right? And you know Steve Harvey, guys. He trying his best to be serious, but the guy just a funny dude, right? Who's not going to be engaged with Steve Harvey, right? I'm telling you guys, golden nugget. Email, subject line, Steve Harvey tells you how to make $1 million. Okay? Subject line in your email. Who ain't gonna open the email, guys? Get a lot of opens on this email, right? I'm just showing a video of Steve Harvey. I'm talking on a video he's doing on YouTube, right? Let's go back and look at the other one for a second. They got Julia Louis-Dreyfus and Joe Biden. I'm coming at you guys. I'm in your inbox. Now, you're going to watch this. I'm going to leave the links, by the way, in the video YouTube description area so you guys can pop over there and see it, okay? I'm going to leave the YouTube description area for that one. And where's that other one? And this one, right? So you guys can go over there, have some fun, watch the videos. I'm not even going to tell you how this can play into your internet marketing. You'll find out when you watch the videos, okay? Now, that's all I want to say about that, okay? When you start thinking about what to send your list, as you start to grow your list, think about ways to keep them. First of all, you want to get your emails open. And then secondly, you want to continue to get your emails open. So you want to send your list stuff that's not going to put them to sleep, guys, okay? You can do a lot of things when you get my emails, guys, but you ain't falling asleep on none of them, okay? First of all, when you see the subject line, you're going to open it. Yeah, you get on my list. You'll see what I'm talking about. Anyway, so look, again, guys, this is just a marketing strategy that anybody can implement, right? Very simple. Doesn't cost you a dime. You can find all kinds of great, hilarious content all over YouTube. You don't even really have to you don't even really have to do it the way I'm doing it right now. There are 1,000 ways to do it, man, right? But when you open your mind, right, it's like you just be like, wow. I mean, really. That's why you guys hear the excitement in my voice, like you hear the excitement in my voice, because I'm not even really I haven't even kicked off yet. Really, I really haven't. And I've been doing this for 3.5 years almost. And I'm really, now that I know what I know, guys, and the things that I'm learning. And by the way, guys, there's my dyslexia kind of showing up there, because that's supposed to be absolutely. Is that absolutely? Okay, I'm cool with that. But anyway, it's just fun, man. It's a lot of fun. And when you start doing this, and the more creative you get, the more fun it's going to become. The more fun it becomes, the more it doesn't seem like work anymore. And when it doesn't seem like work anymore and you're having fun, guys, to say the sky is the limit is an understatement. Okay. Anyway, so I think you guys know where I'm going with that. Let's close this video out with me giving my boy KM Inspires big props again. KM, I hope that the video's up by the time I get off this one. I'm going to go on over to your channel and give you 2 big thumbs up. Ask you, let me see what you're doing, by the way. And reach out and just say, hey, man, big props. And let's rock and roll. Let's keep doing this thing, okay, guys? Anyway, guys, that's my spiel. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Oh, by the way, guys, there's my boy over there, Keith Mack, too, right? He's talking about some goals over there. You guys know I'm highlighting this book next Monday, and my Monday morning motivation, guys. So anyway, you guys have seen Keith's link, right, to the book. I left it in what's the day? Tuesday. I left it in the description area yesterday in YouTube's video, the Monday morning motivation. I should have. Anyway, go check that out, by the way, too, guys. Anyway, I'm out of here, guys. I got miles to go before I sleep. I got thousands of more videos to shoot. I'll see you guys on the next video.